Took a short on Dow as well. I'm not sure if this trade is going to materialize, but I'm following the plan. Um, Honestly, if I would have known this would be the entry, but I got in a lot sooner. So let's see if it's going to give me some leeway short. And if it comes down to um, this little area in between, I'll take it, go to break even. I don't want to come out a loser on this trade. So it's all about the management. And let's see how well we can do that. All right, let's just get the break even. I'm cool collecting $5 on this trade. Only reason, I mean, it is an eval, right? But man, I want to keep it going. I don't want to lose too much money in this trade. I'm already down. Well, I'm up a little bit, but let's just see if my stopper hole. Actually, let's cover this. All right, let's cover this bar. Comes up, take me out. Cool. All right. I like the management. I'm down. Well, I'm up. All right, so we'll keep that in the bag. I'm curious if it's still gonna fall, so I'm gonna watch it. All right, so I went back short on the Dow. Hopefully this time it falls and gets me to at least my first TP. But man, wasn't easy. Um, and I didn't realize I didn't actually press play, and I took a trade short. I think I went long and didn't play out. I tried to scalp it up here and didn't even come to the high. So I'm back in my original trend trade position short, and let's see. Look how close it came down to the TP, but didn't touch it. But the market is funny, man. So let's see. The Nasdaq took a crazy dive short. As you can see, it is dumping. So hopefully, my boy Dow could dump with it, and we can, go to the ball game. Let's go. Yeah, let's see what he wants to do. Just kind of manage a trade. Just waiting. Let's see. Come on down. Looking for a drop down into somewhere in this area. It did dive, but it didn't come quite down to the area that I was hoping it came down to. So now we're managing trades right now. All right, it's moving fast. That's only caveat. All right, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I do not like it. Yep, I didn't like it. I didn't like the jump. I didn't want to risk it. Yeah, I don't like the way Dow is trading. So I'll give the Nasdaq a shot. I know it's kind of jumpy, but I'm just curious to see if he wants to um, bounce up to the top. I don't know. I could be wrong here. And I could be losing this trade. Yes, I did. All right. All right. Kind of got in prematurely. I still like the trade though. I still like the trade. It's right at the two. It's right at the 20 on the 10 minute. But a lot of support here. All right. The Dow took a jump. I'm gonna give him a chance. Let's see where he wants to get to. Breaking these barriers would be pretty cool. All right. So let's see if the Dow wants to make a little magic, or if this is really where the stop happens. Nasdaq is probably, I don't know. Let's see, man. Try not to overtrade, guys. I'm trying to give my trades a chance. I like this break. I mean, this was a clean break right here. Um, but let's see if he wants to keep pumping or not. Come on, I'm looking for the bounce off of this area, especially this previous close area. I'm just looking for the bounce. And I don't know if it wants to bounce. It keeps dropping under the 200 on the 10 minute, which I just don't like that. But I want this close to be support. I really, really do. I really, really do. I want you to be support. So just be support. Got the 20 right here. Got this big bar right here. Let's see if any of this even matters in the grand scheme of things in the world of trading. Does this hold for this to continue up a little further? Does it? Does it not? I don't know. But the trade took place. Let's just see if this bad boy wants to continue in the longs. I'm going to walk out here winner. Not in far as capital and this little green number that's trolling around, but as far as execution of the trade. Obviously, I took way more trades than I wanted to, but that's okay. You know, sometimes I get carried away. I got to admit that. But, you know, made a bunch of money through Apex, got banned, but now, and a bunch of money to, I mean, I can't say what a bunch of money is, but I made a few dollars from Apex, can't get them anymore. So, you know, trading your live, take one or two prop firms and see if you can make some money. But it's all about the trade, right? It's all about the money, of course, and the end of it. But, you know, this is a eval. So it's all about technically just placing the trade and see if you can get to the funding stage. And we doing this with take profit. All right. And obviously we trade our personal as well. I do. I don't know everybody else, but I do trade my personal as well. But right now we just want to get a green day and end the week green. And if we can collect as much money as we possibly can. Is it going to get to 1100? I don't know. Don't worry about that, guy. Let's worry about the first TP first. And let's see if we can get a quick $400 off this one. All right. That's the goal. Right. Is it going to get there? I don't know. It's struggling. But it's a Dow. It struggles, right? It's not like the Nasdaq where it's really snappy, and I mean it is like the it could be like the Nasdaq, but the Nasdaq is snappy. Look what the Nasdaq did. It's drop, 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 and look at it now. It's so edgy, right? Versus the Dow, it's a little more slow pace, right? Which sometimes that's good. You can use a couple contracts with that, right? Versus the Nasdaq, it's like $1,000, $1,200 with two contracts. So just depends how you look at it. So let's see how far this boy wants to jump. It's almost there. All right, we got one out the way. So we'll put this at break even, and we'll just honestly let everything else run. Now I'm down 197, and I'm okay with that. All right, I make this my last trade. I don't want to over trade anymore. So whatever I walk away with today, I'll be happy with. All right, so we got a little movement on this Dow. Um, so I've got a minute 45 on this candle. So let's just see how high I want to go before we adjust anything. But sounds like a winning trade. Minute 22. There we go. He's moving. He is moving. Come on, Dow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how far you want to go. I like it. Let's go down. Let's see how far you want to jump up before we get out of here. Give me another green candle. Give me another green candle down. Honestly, won't be disappointed. I won't be disappointed, Dow. It'd be dope if you can break this. Can you break it down? Let's see. Let's see what the Dow wants to do. We're just waiting, right? We're just waiting, giving it some time. Got about 25 seconds left on this candle. So what I'm looking for is another green candle, another blue candle. We know it's getting weak, right? Well, we don't know it's getting weak, but anything that's too far away from moving average, you got to know that, it's getting weak like it is right now. So, got about 5 seconds left, but it manages trade. So let's see if we can get another pull. There we go. All right, I'm gonna protect myself a little bit more. All right, let's see. You guys are watching this with me. All right, I'm looking at this with you. Um, and I'm gonna get out. Oh, okay. All right, all right. All right, I take little 170. Funny thing is, I was up a little more than this earlier, maybe about, I don't know, 400. So I don't feel too good about this, but it is green on the day. I caught the Dow right here. Um, Pretty much right here. Right, I took a trade. Had it been right here, or maybe I got in right. Let's see, it could be right here. Um, and I took a nice little pull. That's it. I'm exhausted. It was fun, and that's all I can do on the day, man. 10/17. It is April 23rd, 2026. I hope you guys learned something. Fair by trade.